Do you really know what all these buttons on your Godrej AC remote can do? Most people use only power, temperature and mode, but this remote has several useful functions hiding in plain sight. So, let's quickly understand this remote from top to bottom. First, let's talk about the power button. Simply press it once to turn your AC on, and press it again to turn the AC off. It's the main button you'll use every time you want to start or stop your AC. Next, we have the temperature up and down buttons. Press the up button to increase the temperature, and the down button to decrease it. You can adjust the temperature according to your comfort and room conditions. Now let's talk about the mode button. Press it repeatedly to switch between different modes. Cool mode gives you normal cooling, dry mode helps reduce humidity, fan mode circulates air without active cooling, and heat mode provides warm air during cold weather. Auto automatically adjusts the operation. Choose the mode according to the season and your comfort. Now let's understand the fan function. Press the fan button to change the indoor fan speed between auto, low, medium, and high. Auto adjusts the speed automatically, low gives gentle airflow, medium provides balanced airflow, and high delivers maximum airflow for faster cooling. Now let's check the 5in1 convert function. C5 is the highest capacity level. It delivers maximum cooling performance and is ideal when the room is very hot and you need faster cooling. C4 provides high cooling capacity with slightly lower power consumption than C5. It's a good option when you need strong cooling but not maximum capacity. C3 is the balanced setting. It provides medium cooling while helping to reduce power consumption. This is useful for normal room conditions. C2 operates at a lower cooling capacity. It's suitable when the room is already comfortable and you only need gentle cooling with lower power usage. C1 is the lowest capacity level. It provides minimum cooling and can help save more power when the room temperature is already comfortable. Now let's talk about the turbo function. When you need quick cooling, simply press the turbo button. It makes the AC work at a higher cooling performance to cool the room faster. Use turbo when the room is extremely hot, and switch it off once the desired temperature is reached. Now let's understand the sleep function. Press the sleep button when you're going to bed. It is designed to provide more comfortable cooling during sleep by gradually adjusting the temperature according to the AC's sleep program. This can also help improve comfort and reduce unnecessary energy consumption. Now let's understand the iSense function. When you activate iSense, the AC uses the temperature sensor in the remote to detect the temperature around you and adjust the cooling accordingly. This helps provide more personalized and comfortable cooling where you are sitting. Now let's check the V-swing function. Press the V-swing button to move the AC vertical airflow levers up and down automatically. This helps distribute cool air more evenly throughout the room, instead of blowing air in just one direction. It's especially useful for cooling a larger area. Now let's check the display function. Press the display button to turn the indoor unit's display on or off. If you want a darker room while sleeping or watching TV, simply turn the display off. The AC will continue working normally even when the display is switched off. Now let's check the Hygiene Plus function. This feature is designed to help maintain cleaner and more hygienic airflow inside the AC. When activated, it uses the AC built-in hygiene technology to help reduce unwanted contaminants. It's a useful feature for maintaining cleaner air during everyday AC use. Finally, let's check the lock function. This feature helps prevent accidental button presses on the remote. Once the remote is locked, the buttons won't respond normally, which is useful when children are around or when you want to avoid changing the AC settings by mistake. Unlock it to use the remote again. Clock button. Now, bro, this is the clock button. Press it once, and the clock symbol will start blinking. Now use the temperature up and down buttons to set the current time. Once the time is set, press the clock button again, and that's it. Now even the remote knows what time it is, bro. Timer on button. Now, bro, this is the timer on button. Press it once, and the timer on clock symbol will start blinking. Now use the temperature up and down buttons to set the time. For example, if you want the AC to turn on at 10 p.m., set 10 p.m. and press timer on again. That's it. Now the AC will say, see you at 10 p.m., bro. Timer off button. Now, bro, this is the timer off button. Press it once, and the timer off clock symbol will start blinking. Now use the temperature up and down buttons to set the time. For example, if you want the AC to turn off at 5 a.m., set 5 a.m. and press timer off again. That's it. The AC will say, at 5 a.m., I'm off duty, bro. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to use the important functions of this AC remote. Snowflake, if this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Raza Cool for more AC tips, remote settings, and practical AC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.